Hi friends, welcome to math lesson 158. Today we're going to be doing long division with story problems. Let's do our first one. Josh has 23 baseball cards, and I put out 23 red squares, and that's meaning our baseball cards. So Josh has 23 baseball cards. His album can hold 2 cards per page. So we're pretending he has a book that looks like this, like a kind of like a picture album. But he's able to slip the cards in and have them on the pages. So he can have 2 cards on each page, all right? How many pages are filled in his book? So he is able to put these baseball cards, 2 on each page. He's wondering how many pages he's been able to fill in. So how many cards does he have? He has 23 cards in all. And he can put 2 on each page. So we're wondering how many pages are filled. All right. Now, to help us think about this, I actually want to change the way we're wording it, all right? So instead of saying 2 on each page, I want to change it to say 2 in each page. And instead of saying page, guess what we're going to say? Set. Because these are actually, each page is a set of cards. So how many, instead of saying pages, we're going to say sets are filled. So how many sets are filled or are there? Okay, how many sets do we have? That should help us with figuring out the type of problem we want to make. All right, so we definitely want to do a division problem. So let's go ahead and fill it in horizontally, and then we'll make a division frame. So where does the total go for a division problem? It usually goes at the beginning here. So 23 divided by, all right, so we need to know either the sets or how many in each set. So do we know how many should be in each set, or do we know how many sets? How many sets are filled, or how many pages are filled? So we don't know how many sets. So we need to put the sets that we need to figure out at the end of our equation, and we need to say we do know how many in each. How many should be in each set? 2. Remember, there can be 2 cards in each set, but we don't know how many sets. We don't know how many pages are filled. All right, let's go ahead and set up this same equation, but we'll set it up as long division. All right. All right, so let's start doing our long division problem, and we'll look down here at these red squares and pretend that these are our baseball cards. So I have 23 baseball cards in all, but I divided them so that there was a set of 20 and then a set of 3, because we always need to start with our set of 10s, which is 2 10s, which is 20 baseball cards in all. All right, so I have 20 baseball cards, and I need to pair them up so that there's 2 in each set, and then we'll see how many sets I'm able to make. All right, let's try it. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so how many sets was I able to make? 10 sets. So I'm just going to put my 1, because that's 110. And then I'll say how many sets was I able to make, or how many blocks in all did I just divide out? 20. 1 times 2 is 20. Do I have any blocks left over to match up? 3 take away 0 is 3. 2 10s take away 2 10s is 0. So yes, I have 3 blocks I need to still match up. All right, let's try matching those up. So there's 1 set of 2s. Uh-oh, I have 1 left over that I cannot match up. So how many was I able to match up? So I was able to make 1 set, 1 match. So 1 times 2 is 2. I was able to match up 2 blocks. Let's subtract away and see if I have any left over. 3 take away 2 is 1. So I do have one card left that is not on a page, or not on a full page. The remainder, one card. So how many full pages am I able to make? 1 page, 2 page, 3 page, 4 page, 5 page, 6 page, 7 page, 8 page, 9 page, 10 page, 11 page, and then this is not a full page because it only has one card on it. So I'm able to fill up. So Jacob's able to fill up, sorry, his name's Josh, 11 pages, and then he has one page that only has one card on it. All right, great job.